Hello and welcome. Today we'll talk about how to be organized, especially at work. So there are a few things that I would like to tell you. I hope that's going to help you at work. The first thing you have to do is you have to specify specific places for different projects or files that you want to keep in order to organize everything and in order to save time. And you can name these files, you can have specific designated areas in your drawer or cabinet. The second thing you have to do is you have to keep your desk clean, tidy. So do not clutter your desk by putting everything there, all the files and documents, all those things that are not really required. Also, you have to keep your system tidy as well. So you have to organize the files on your desktop, and there are ways of doing it. So let me tell you how you can organize your desktop on your system. The first thing you need to do is you need to have specific folders, and you can name them alphabetically or in chronological order. Inside each folder you can have subfolders, and you can name them according to the date so that you can go to that date, to that day, and find out information or cull out important details that you need for your next project. The other thing you can do on your system is do not save files on your desktop, because that slows down your system. So make sure you save the files on either D drive or on system networks. There are files on shared drives, you could use them. You have to make sure that you scan all the documents that you're going to use in the future, so you can convert them into soft copies. That will save you space, and also it will make you more organized, because you can always go to your system and there is no need to dump paper on your desk or cabinet or into your drawer. Last but not least, you should make sure that you get rid of the habit of hoarding, the habit of holding on to the things that you don't need in the future. So this might become a habit for some people, and it would reduce their productivity. So it's a great idea that you know what documents you're going to use in the future. Are they really important or not? If they are not, throw them away. One last piece of advice that I would like to give, make sure that you clean up your drives and unnecessary documents, so your system is faster and efficient whenever you want to work. That's all for today. I hope these tips are going to help. Stay tuned for more such videos. And if you have any suggestions, comments, please do mention them. So stay tuned and have fun. Bye.